Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching and coming back to my channel, watching more home goods hauls. Very different from Goodwill. I've been home goods and decorating my house obsessed, if you will. I have been craving to go to home goods like every other weekend or when I have my days off and I have money to waste. I love going there. I love spending time there. Today I'm going to show you guys a few things that I end up getting there. I am doing like a glam party during the weekend, so I got a few things for that, and then the rest is just like all home decor. So let me just go ahead and get out the glam things. I wanted to get things for the party but to also have as home decor, so basically killing two birds with one stone. I do have a bar cart that I ended up getting at Target. It was on sale for around $40, and I wanted to decorate that bar cart with like champagne, all glam, you know. And I ended up picking these Rae Dunn cups. Now people are so obsessed with Rae Dunn. I am not one of them. I thought I was, and then I gave my whole Rae Dunn collection away, so it's a very terrible habit, y'all. Anyway, I picked these up just to put on the bar cart for that night, and for probably, you know, when guests come over, I just decorated. These I ended up getting at Marshall's for $7.99. The first one is in black letters. It says salute and cheer, and for $7.99, that ain't bad. I believe these are used for champagne. I honestly don't drink at all, but when I do, you'll know when I'm drunk. And then the next one says yours and mine, sort of like Valentine's Day. It is in gold, not my favorite. I wish it was silver, but again, I could put these like behind the black ones, you know what I'm saying? So these were also from Rae Dunn for $7.99. Not bad, you guys. Both of these I ended up getting at Marshall's. I ended up picking this flower vase at TJ Maxx. This one I believe was for $14.99. I have a bigger one, and I think the bigger one was for $16.99. I have that one currently sitting in my coffee table, I believe. This one is a small version of that. I like this one for my vanity. Obviously, when you change your home decor, you change like everything, so you'll find a place for everything. I love collecting these kinds of flower vases because they are so clean. They make your house look more elegant than they are. I wish my hubby will now surprise me with real flowers, because for some reason I told him I don't like flowers because he died, but now that my house looks good, I need flowers in my life, y'all. The next product I ended up picking up is these dish towels. These are pink with gold, which is not my color scheme, but again, you know, I needed dish towels, something very inexpensive but something cute. These I ended up getting at Marshall's for $7.99. It says hot mess. I like these just because they are pink, and obviously, you know, my hubby, it's not like I'm decorating my whole house pink, so I'm sure he doesn't mind. These are from the brand Casaba. Hopefully I'm saying it right. The next thing I ended up getting is this beautiful whisk. This one was the last one. I ended up finding this one at Home Goods. This was for $6.99. It is like a plaster material. I am so scared that my kids will break it. It looks so handsome. It's a little fox on top. I just fell so in love with it. It has fox. It does have a fox with a little like gold tail with a little tiny gold nose dot on it. It's very pretty. Oh my god, I fell so in love, y'all. I never thought as an adult I'll get excited for a freaking whisk. Anyway, this one was for $6.99, and I ended up getting it at Home Goods. All right, the next product I ended up getting are these mats right here. These are like this one's like silver. It reminded me of marble but silver, you know, and white on it. I was very concerned because these are like my second mats that I get. The first one was Kate Spade, and it had like stripes on it. I ended up throwing those away because it's like cloth material, and my kids, I have kids, y'all, okay? Nothing works in this house, okay? And then I ended up getting another one. It was like a different kind of fabric, and like every time you would fold it, it'll like have that crease on it, you know. But I ended up picking these up as well because, you know, I'm trying to get ready for that party. I'm trying to look glam AF, y'all. These were for $9.99. I also saw some beautiful ones that have like little pearls on it, and it looked like handmade, and they're pretty heavy for $7.99. I found 3. I couldn't find the 4th one, and I'm very anal. Like, I can't buy it and then wait or go to another Home Goods. Like, I can't do that. Like, I have to have all 4 or I can't buy it. So they were for $7.99. They were very beautiful. They were white and silver as well. and I was gonna splurge on that, and then I couldn't find the third one, so I was like, all right, it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be, you know. I try not to get my hopes up, so I ended up getting these were the last ones there. The next item is a very beautiful piece that I ended up getting. This one I ended up getting at Home Goods. Hopefully I find the tag or the receipt somewhere, and I'll have the price listed down below. This is a very nice vase. It is black with a little bit of burnt gold, if you will. It's like a brown gold, you know what I'm saying? So it's a very beautiful vase. It's very tall. I ended up getting this one at my Home Goods, as well as this canvas. This canvas, I sort of regret it now. Probably change it out and like resell it or whatnot. I don't know, I feel like I could have done better. Sometimes it's not right to buy things like, oh yeah, I like it, it's alright. You have to really fall in love with it, especially since it's gonna go on your wall and you're gonna be looking at it every single day. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I believe it was a fast video. I don't know how it's gonna be when I edit it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul though. I'm about to actually head out to Home Goods right now. I got these things like 2-3 days ago, and I went to the Home Goods like a little bit further from my house, so now I'm gonna go to the one that's closest to my house. And I always love getting coffee and then going to Home Goods. I love shopping Home Goods all by my lonesome. I feel like I can't really shop when I take my husband and my kids. For some reason I feel like I'm just in so much pressure. I feel like I don't look as much, which is probably that's why he went with me, and that explains a lot. But anyway, right now my kids are at school, I'm off of work, my husband's working, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to Home Goods right now, and of course I'm gonna film it here for you guys. I hope you guys stay tuned for so much more. Don't forget to follow all my social media links. I feel like I said too much. I'll talk to you guys extremely soon. Bye.